Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Android and iPhone share the same Wi-Fi or use USB tethering so latency stays low. On the Android, install a mic server app and grant microphone and background permissions. On the iPhone, install the companion client or a compatible audio input app. Once installed, open the server on Android and note the IP address or pairing code. On the iPhone, open the client and choose the server. This gets you past setup and into connection. Now connect and configure audio. On the iPhone, pick the Android server by IP or scan the QR code. Pairing completes the link. Then choose your audio format, mono for speech, 44, 1kHz or 48kHz for better compatibility, and set sample rate accordingly. Adjust gain to avoid clipping and reduce buffer size for lower latency while testing for dropouts. Once configured, route the iPhone app to use the incoming audio as an input device, so other apps can capture your Android mic. Finish by testing and locking settings. Record a short clip in voice memos or stream to confirm clarity, sync, and background stability. Speak at normal volume and watch levels. If you notice lag, switch to USB tethering or lower the buffer size. If noise appears, reduce gain or enable noise suppression in the app. If connection fails, restart both apps, regrant microphone permissions, and retry pairing. Switching codecs or sample rates can fix intermittent dropouts. Keep troubleshooting until reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.